Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I am Vashan Brown. There will be a marginal decline in gas prices tomorrow. A litre of 87 and 90 will cost 25 cents less. However, diesel and ultra-low sulfur diesel and kerosene will increase by $4.50. 50 cents will be shaved off the price of propane and 25 cents from butane. Meanwhile, local oil refinery PETROJAM says there was a small fire at the facility at noon today. The state-owned entity says the electrical fire caused minor damage to equipment at the site. As a precaution, operations were halted. It's not clear what type of equipment has been affected and the implications of the damage. However, PETROJAM says the damage will not affect the current supply of petroleum products to the market. The refinery says technical safety experts are conducting an assessment to find out the cause of the fire. PETROJAM also says it will update its customers in short order regarding the resumption of production at the refinery. Sterling Asset Management is expanding its service offerings to include capital market facilities for companies looking to raise funds. Head of Sterling, Charles Ross, shared the plans with our business reporter, Javon Keys.
As companies look for other avenues to expand their capital base, Sterling Asset Management in its 20th anniversary year is looking to increase its services to clients through offering capital market facilities to companies.
We'll be doing fundraising for companies that want to finance their activities through the capital markets as opposed to going to a bank and borrowing money. And we think that that's an area that we've always been interested in, and an opportunity has come our way. We think that we can get into it at this point and provide some good value to companies that are looking to raise money and to expand.
CEO and founding director of Sterling, Charles Ross, says the new service being rolled out this year will add a new notch to the company's earnings.
In the broker-dealer business, fee-based income is very attractive, and it's important to grow that aspect of your business as opposed to relying totally on your balance sheet. And so this is an opportunity to do that while serving, I guess, a very important purpose, which is to bring investors and companies that need funding together in a way that optimizes the return for both parties.
However, the rising interest rate environment poses a threat to this new offering and other business segments.
We'll have to balance the investors' desire, the borrower's desire to get the lowest rate, and the investor's desire to get the highest rate. And of course, in an environment where people are anticipating interest rates going higher, then certainly it's going to be a very delicate balancing act. But I'm pretty sure it can be done.
Sterling says it is acquiring technical expertise to help execute this new line of business. The company, which made a profit of $159.8 million for the year ended December 2021, says this expanded offering is expected to help it continue on a growth path. For the Business Day, I'm Javon Keys.
The U.S. currency is selling for an average $155.59. $123.55 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $196.73 for the pound, and $167.81 for the euro. The JC Index advanced by 2,894 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 15 points. Among today's winners were Jetcon Corporation, JMMB Group 7.25% variable cumulative redeemable preference shares, Spurtree Spices Jamaica, JMMB Group 7% variable cumulative redeemable preference shares, and Epley Caribbean Property Fund SCC. While on the losing side were CAC 2000, Cygnus Real Estate Finance US dollar shares, Productive Business Solutions US dollar shares, iCreate, and the Jamaica Stock Exchange. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Have a good evening.